I'm Mick Bodner, Business Development at Vencon Research. In this, the second salary survey tutorial, I'm going to explain the statistics used for your firm and the market in our reports. In our salary survey report, each of the remuneration elements, whether for current or previous year, or whether incumbent or firm-weighted, is presented in the same format. This is the current year incumbent-weighted basic salary tab. There are 4 data tables and a graphic representation of the data in the tab. First of all, we have your firm's data at the top here. Underneath that, your firm's data again, but with adjustable percentiles and employing the compa ratio tool. Below that, we have the basic statistical analysis of the market data. That is the market salary data included in the survey. And finally, a larger table containing percentile analysis of the market data. Each of these 4 tables is divided into columns that represent the different career levels, from analyst to principal, and each employs a number of statistics concepts to represent the data. So here, for example, we have the maximum, mean, midpoint, median, and minimum of your firm. And again, the same statistics for the market down here. We'll look at the percentiles and compa ratio for your firm and the market here and here in the next video. But now, let's have a quick look at those basic statistics concepts. Minimum and maximum are simply the highest and lowest figures for a particular range. In this case, the highest and lowest salaries paid for each career level in the market. Alongside the maximum and minimum, we have the mean, median, and midpoint. The mean is the starting point when it comes to statistical analysis. However, what we need to be aware of when we use the mean is the effect of outliers. If we have a number or a few numbers in the set that are significantly higher or lower than the rest, they will skew the mean in that direction too. So it may not be a very accurate representation of all the data in one number. That's why we tend to focus on the median as a more effective indicator in our reports. The median takes all of the data points, and it looks at the ones that fall in the middle of the range. So the median is a really useful point. Using it, we can compare our own remuneration policies to what is more or less the middle of the way in the market. It also disregards all extreme values. The midpoint also looks for the halfway point in a set, but rather than considering all the values in the set, it is the artificial middle point between the highest and lowest in the range. So you can see that these, the mean, midpoint, and median, taken together are all important indicators to see what's going on in the market. Using them, we can get a pretty good impression of the salaries other firms in the market are offering, and we have the basic indicators to make effective comparisons with our own data. For more in-depth comparisons, we can use percentiles and the compa ratio, which we will look at in the next video.